Today we are making some smoked oxtail. Before you say anything, shout out to LES Barbecue. This recipe is definitely inspired by him and what he's doing over there on his channel. He's definitely killing it when it comes to that smoked oxtail game. Prices are definitely going up with what he's doing. You already know oxtail is already expensive, but with everything going on, that price is only going higher, baby. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into it. We have our oxtail here. I think your boy called them softballs. We got them big boys right here. I know you see it. And we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them, not too much, just a little bit. And we're gonna just massage it on in. We're gonna do that to both sides. And we're gonna season these bad boys up to perfection. I have my seasoning right here. This will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. So I'm just gonna generously coat up these oxtails. You wanna really make sure these are well seasoned up, guys. Well seasoned up. I am too excited for these. These are actually gonna be the first smoked oxtails that I have ever made. And I'm really excited to give it a try. I haven't even tried smoked oxtails in real life before, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. But the idea of it just sounds really amazing, and I cannot wait to dig into these bad boys. We're gonna make sure we get them nice and tender, you already know. And let me know down in the comments, have you even heard of Les before, man? He's big time on all the platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, definitely killing it. Definitely wanna take a trip up to Utah and give his food a try. I heard he's opening up a restaurant over there in Utah. Definitely gotta give it a visit based on what I've been seeing online, guys, because his food is looking absolutely amazing. But you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna make our smoked oxtail here at home, and I already know it's gonna be bomb, guys. As you can see, we have our oxtail well seasoned up, guys. So let's not waste time. Let's get these out to the smoker, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, so I have my pellet smoker here preheated to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're using applewood pellets, and we're about ready to get these oxtails rolling. We're just gonna load these bad boys in. And we're gonna check on them in about 2 hours or so. In 2 hours, we're gonna give it a spritz with a little bit of like a apple cider water mix. And kind of space them out a little bit as well. And like I said, we're just gonna let it chill and do its thing for 2 hours. We'll be back then to check on them. Let's go ahead and close that lid and we'll be back. So every hour or so, you do want to give it a spritz. I have a mix of some apple cider vinegar and some water. So let's give it a look and see how they're looking so far. Wow, wow, wow. So like I said, go ahead and give them a spritz every hour or so. That's gonna help that seasoning really create a nice crust that really bonds to that oxtail. All right, our oxtail has been smoking for a couple of hours. I want to braise this oxtail not only in beef broth, but a lot of the traditional ingredients you will have with an oxtail. So I'm gonna begin with this pan here. I have it to about a medium high. We're gonna drip a little bit of oil into the pan. So I'm gonna toss in some onion into the pan. And then I also have some bell pepper, onion, and carrots. We're gonna get that in the pan as well. Why I'm doing this, I wanna get a lot of the flavors to come out of this. I don't wanna just dump them in the beef broth just like that. I wanna extract a lot of that goodness, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanna saute just for a little bit. I'm also gonna toss in a little bit of minced garlic and some ginger as well. All right, guys, like I said, you just want to saute this just for a few minutes just to bring out all those amazing flavors. And we're about ready to take this out to the smoker. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So our oxtails have been going for about 3 hours or so. In each hour, we did spray it with a little bit of that apple cider water mix. And we are about ready to braise these bad boys up. They are looking amazing. So as you can see, our soft balls are looking so good, guys. Super, super amazing. I'm just gonna transfer them into this pan right here. And I'm gonna get everything going inside. And then we're gonna bring it back outside. But we are looking really good so far. Look at that, guys. That's just crazy. Sheesh, softballs for real, man. Shout out to LES Barbecue. And you can't tell me these are not candy red, man. These are definitely some candy red. Stop playing with me. So let's take these inside and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, as you can see, I wanted to bring you guys inside so you get a better look. We're not done yet. We need to get these bad boys tender, so we are gonna braise them, but look how that looks so far. We have an amazing bark on our oxtail right here. So I'm gonna pour a lot of that goodness right on in. This is that onion, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, carrot. We're gonna get that in the pan. I might have a little bit too much. That's fine. Just gonna move them on to the side a little bit. We're gonna toss in some fresh thyme. Just kind of mix that and put it throughout our pan here. We have a habanero pepper. I'm just gonna put that right there. You can use Scotch bonnet if you can find it. We have some pimento seeds. Gonna toss that in here as well. Like I said, I want a lot of those authentic flavors that you would find with an oxtail. I want you to get that here, but you're gonna get more of that smoky flavor. And I'm also gonna toss in, some low sodium beef broth. There's like 50% less sodium or whatever. I always do that to make sure it doesn't come out too salty. That'll be the worst thing, to go through all this trouble and then next thing you know, our dish is just overly salty. We do not want that. So I'm just pouring this around. I think one of these is pretty much good enough. All right. And I'm gonna top it off with some aluminum foil. And we're gonna put this back in the smoker for about maybe an hour, hour and a half, or until they are fully tender, and I'll see you when they are done. All right, guys, the oxtail is ready. I'm having Rose do the honors of unwrapping these bad boys.
You ready?
Yeah, let's see how they looking.
Oh, it smells so good though.
Come on, let me in, let me
in.
Woo.
Wow. That looks good.
Wow. That looks spectacular. All right, guys, I have my wife here, Island Vibe Cooking.
Hey, guys.
And we are about to give these a try. We are too excited. We got the gloves ready because it's about to be a little bit messy, you feel me?
It looks so good.
So go ahead, I'll let you do the honors and get your piece first.
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
It smelled too good.
I know, right? It smells amazing.
Amazing. Let me try this.
About to be drippy. And these are definitely soft balls, guys. Look at that. Soft balls.
You wanna try it together?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. That is so good, guys. So freaking good.
Wow.
Like butter.
These are so good.
Like butter. Wow. Mmm.
I like this. The smokiness. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Wow. All right, everyone. That was just simply amazing.
Delicious.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we had to take a little break. You know,
Yeah.
the camera was rolling, but you know what I'm saying? We can't show you that footage because we were just yum, yum, yum,
Eating
yum,
it
yum.
up.
Yeah, for sure. That thing is busting, guys. You guys definitely got to give it a try. Absolutely
The
amazing.
smokiness definitely like did something to it.
Yeah,
it's
for
so
sure.
good.
For sure, for sure. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell. Make sure you don't miss out on the latest video. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next one.
Oh.
Deuces. And also subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking, of
Yes, of course.
You already
Island
know.
Vibe Cooking. Go subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.